we're all familiar with night vision cameras, but how do these things work? How is it that you can just turn on this camera and see the invisible? Another use of night vision cameras that you might not be familiar with is their ability to see through smoke and dust. Fire departments commonly use cameras like these to find people trapped in smoky rooms, or to pinpoint the exact location of forest fires through clouds of smoke. So how do these things actually work? What are we really seeing when we look inside a night vision camera? Well, it may surprise you to learn that everything in the universe emits some kind of light. It's just not the kind of light we're used to thinking about. The sun, for example, our star, emits visible light. That's why our eyes evolved to detect that kind of light. But that's not the whole story. The kind of light an object emits depends on its temperature. We're used to thinking of something hot giving off light. But it might surprise you to learn that objects that are cooler, like myself, give off a kind of light too, and that's what a night vision camera can pick up. That sort of light is called infrared light. The world sure looks a lot different in infrared light. Remember that what you're actually seeing is temperature. So something that's warm is going to look bright in the infrared. And something that's cold looks dark. Ice cream. Blow dryer. And infrared radiation is actually a measurement of temperature. Places on my face that are cold, like my nose, appear dark in an infrared camera because they're giving off less infrared radiation. And places that are warm, like my mouth, or the hair next to my head, are brighter because they're warmer. You can even see my breath in my nose if you look carefully. And this is an ice cube. And humans, of course, are not the only things that emit infrared light. What do you think you can learn about animals by observing them in the infrared? What about reptiles? Remember, they're cold-blooded. Giraffes. Here's a Nubian ibex. What do you think horns look like in the infrared? Can you even see a gorilla in this picture? If you look carefully, you'll notice you can still see the zebra's stripes even in the infrared. How about elephants? What about a polar bear? How about a rhinoceros? Check out the horns. A cat. Notice the infrared footprints. Deer in the dark. A helicopter. Notice the plume of heat from the engine. Earth movers with hot smokestacks. A car engine turning on and heating up.